Hi guys, it's Laine from KOKOON. I'm here today to talk to you about the gift box sale, of course. So we're going to have a couple fun box reveals for you. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, we are in the middle of our gift box sale at kokoon.net. An amazing opportunity to get a lot of really fabulous clothes, all new, new with tags, all ethically made in the USA, all limited edition. It's kind of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity going on through December 16th. We've had a lot of people hop on and purchase these amazing boxes. So they are blind boxes. You have a lot of fun categories to choose from. And so I'm just going to kind of give you a sneak peek into a box that someone will be receiving. And the first one that I want to show you today is a box that is the Freeze Baby. So cold weather items, and this person chose 5 items for $100, so $20 a piece. And this gal ordered size large. So we will just take a quick peek as to what the possibilities are. Be careful when you open the box. Okay, so what might you expect if you order a 5-piece Freeze Baby selection? So it'll always vary. You know, there might be 1 or 2 pieces that you see in a box that I open for you, and it might be the same as what you receive, and then of course there might be others that are completely different. It just depends on what we have in the warehouse. And I will tell you, we're running low already on extra larges and mediums mostly. Okay, so this gal ordered a size large selection in the Freeze Baby 5-piece for $100, $20 a piece. And okay, let's just take a quick look. Okay, so the girls pulled this together so I get to kind of see. It's kind of a reveal for me as well. So I get to see these fun pieces. Okay, so this might be a little hard to show you. Okay, but I'm gonna grab a hanger so that you can kind of see. So this is an amazing sweater. This is called the Miles of Smiles sweater. And okay, so I'm just gonna show you back here. Can you see it? Okay. So this is such a great piece because it's kind of like a longer tunic. You can wear it open as a duster. It does have pockets in the side seams here.
Look at the box on the floor, yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
So you can kind of wear it as a little duster. You can just throw the ties around the back if you'd like, wear it open, but you can just wear it tied up as a tunic as well. And also another really fun look, which I love with this, is if you take the ties when you have it on, wrap it around, tie it in the back, you've got this really cute little tunic look. It's really fun. So I know we only have a couple of these left, but anyway, so this lucky gal is getting one of those. Love that. And okay, oh, and this is cute. Okay, so this pewter velvet twist front top, perfect for a holiday party or just wearing it with jeans around the house. Oh, and look, here we go. So we have, I don't remember what this was called, but this is such a really great top. I love it. So just wear a little cami or layering tee underneath it. And this fabric is so fantastic. It just has like this little textured rib knit to it. In this little color block t-shirt, you can wear it front or back. It kind of has like a little boat neck neckline to it. And what's so fun about this is it will contract or expand according to what you would like it. So when I like it to be a little more form-fitting, so after I wash it, I don't know if you guys remember like those broomstick skirts from like the 80s or 90s, but I just twist it and I leave it twisted and let it just kind of dry flat, because when you pull it on, it'll just expand with your body. If you want it looser, you can just give it a little steam and it will just expand. But if you would like it to actually fit, just twist it and let it dry that way. Pull it on, don't iron it, and you're good to go. But this is a really great little piece. Love that. Oh, this is so amazing. Okay, so the chenille hoodie. This is so lovely. And again, we only have a few left in this amazing chenille fabric, and just a really great cuddly run around piece for the winter, and you'll just feel like your mama's giving you a hug. You're gonna love that. Great travel piece as well. Okay, and I think there's only maybe one more besides this one left, you guys. So this is the chalet tunic in this chocolate sweater knit. Such a great piece over leggings with a little drop waist. The waist is adjustable. You can wear it up at your waist if you'd like a little shorter. It has cute little pockets. Such a great cowl neck. Really, really fun, fun pieces. So this is an amazing value because this piece alone is $138. So getting just an incredible value, $20 each. So whether this gal is going to keep these for herself and just look really fabulous this winter, that's fantastic. Or if she's going to share it and give it as gifts, or maybe keep a couple for herself and give the rest as gifts, you just really can't go wrong. So love that. So that is an example of the Freeze Baby of items that might be in a selection like that. Okay. And I could not, thank you. I couldn't get a corporate cutie together today because we didn't have anyone order that, but we did have a few orders come in for Sunday Funday, so I thought we would just give you a quick peek into a Sunday Funday box. Okay, again, just be really careful when you're opening, guys. It's so fun to open a box, even if it's my own stuff and I know what it is. Okay, here we go. Get that unsightly string off of there. All right, here we go. So we have our Sunday Funday box. This gal is a size small, and she ordered the 10-piece for $150, so $15 a piece. An unbelievable deal for brand new clothes, less than what you would pay in a used clothing store, honestly. So here, this is an amazing piece too. All right, so this is really great, really cool, drapey top. Just throw that on over a little cami or one of our long sleeve layering tees, and that just has really great lines. I love the texture in the fabric. And this is such a really wonderful sweater knit. We call this a boucle knit, and this is in the little crop top. Adorable. Oh, and I always love this print. Okay, so like this piece is so awesome just to wear over a little cami and jeans, but in the summer you can totally do that with little white skinnies or shorts. This would be great in the vacation package as well. Super flattering. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, so again, this does not look like much on the hanger. What did I do with that hanger? Okay. Thank you. So this is like a little poncho cape thingy. So this is so fun. It has a little black shadow stripe. I don't know if you can kind of see that in there. Okay, so if you can see the cut of it, so it has this kind of draped rectangle in the front and then like this panel in the back. And so it's just super cute, just draped over a little t-shirt or something like that. But you can also wear it asymmetrically. Super adorable. That's a good look. Okay, love that. That's a lucky score right there. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. All right. So this is the Sarah Smile tunic, and this is in the Joseph sweater knit print, and it just has all these really great colors in it in a cozy knit. Cannot go wrong with that one. So cute, just over skinnies. I love it. And this is one of our super cute little sheer boxy sweater knits. So adorable. That's just kind of a no-brainer. Love that. Okay, and so this is a surprise. Look at this. This is such a cute little sweater vest. Love the stripe. That's absolutely adorable. Just put that over one of our little layering tees and you are all set. And look how cute it would be with this cute, this is like a little French terry skirt and little A-line, cute little lettuce ruffle. That is adorable. Little tights and boots and you're all set. Okay, so we had so many comments yesterday about the t-shirt I was wearing. This is not the exact same one, but it is still kind of in that family. This is the bleacher tee, and it's like a little tunic in a sporty little weekend tee. Love that, so adorable. Okay, and then last but not least, 10 pieces. Doesn't it feel like I've been opening forever? And this is our original Peggy flegging. This is in a cotton lycra. Just a really great run around everyday pant, loungy. You can sleep in these, great for watching TV by the fire. And it has that fold over tummy panel, so kind of holds you in a little bit, which is really nice and cozy. Okay, so you guys, that is amazing. So this is the Sunday Funday box. A lot of you have been smart enough to hop on this one because the selection is so great and it kind of covers a lot of different categories. You might find some sweaters in there, you might find some skirts, some great tops, just a really great variety. So can't go wrong with that one. 10 pieces for $150, $15 each. Like I said, less expensive than going to a used clothing store for ethically made in the USA limited editions. So if you're not buying for yourself, think of it for gifts. We also have an assorted sizes option, which is really terrific. So if you're buying for teachers, girlfriends, babysitters, relatives, it's just all fantastic. Anyway, so you guys know what to do. Go to kokoon.net and under the shop tab, you'll see the gift box sale and you will see all the different categories to shop. And please tag your girlfriends, share the video. Everyone would really love to know about this sale and it goes until December 16th. And let's see, Richard and I are heading out of town tomorrow night, but we'll try to come back tomorrow afternoon and do one more box opening because we won't be able to do one on Friday. But you'll be able to see a recap of all the videos in the MailChimp on Friday. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.